Rest periods are one of the most misunderstood yet critical elements in any muscle building routine. If you're focused on maximizing muscle growth, hypertrophy, understanding how rest intervals affect your results can be a game changer. In this video, we'll break down the science behind rest periods, explain how they impact muscle repair and growth, and help you find the optimal rest strategy for your goals. Why are rest periods crucial for muscle growth? When you lift weights, your muscles experience micro tears and build up metabolic byproducts such as lactic acid and hydrogen ions. While these substances can stimulate muscle growth, they also cause fatigue and limit your performance if not managed properly. Rest periods allow your body to clear these byproducts, replenish energy stores such as ATP and creatine phosphate, and deliver the necessary nutrients for muscle repair and growth. Without adequate rest, you risk accumulating fatigue, reducing your training quality, and increasing your risk of injury. Most importantly, muscle growth doesn't happen during your workout. It occurs during recovery. Rest is when your body repairs muscle fibers, making them stronger and bigger. How long should you rest between sets? The optimal rest interval depends on your training goal. Training goal recommended rest period, strength and power 2 to 5 minutes, muscle growth, hypertrophy 1 to 2 minutes, muscular endurance 30 to 60 seconds. For hypertrophy, research consistently shows that resting between 1 and 2 minutes between sets is ideal. This range strikes a balance between maximizing metabolic stress, which triggers muscle growth, and allowing enough recovery to maintain workout intensity. Recent studies suggest that resting less than 1 minute may limit your gains, while resting for longer than 2 to 3 minutes offers little additional benefit for muscle size. However, more rest periods, up to 3 minutes, can help maintain strength and performance across sets, especially for compound lifts. Rest between workouts. How often should you train each muscle group? Muscle groups generally need 48 to 72 hours to recover after intense training. This means you can train the same muscle group 2-3 times per week, provided you allow for adequate rest between sessions. For example, you might train upper body on Monday, lower body on Tuesday, and return to upper body on Thursday. If you're a beginner or training at very high intensity, you may need closer to 72 hours of rest for full recovery. Factors such as workout intensity, training experience, nutrition, hydration, and sleep all impact your recovery needs. The science behind rest and muscle growth. Metabolic stress. Shorter rest intervals, 30 to 60 seconds, increase lactic acid and metabolic stress, which can stimulate muscle-building hormones such as growth hormone. However, too little rest can limit your ability to lift heavy and complete quality reps. Mechanical tension. Longer rest, 1 to 2 minutes, allows you to lift heavier weights and maintain go.